In this video, I'll show you how to merge a PDF files without installing any apps. First, open your browser and type app.moditool.com into the address bar. On the website, click on PDF Processor. As you can see, there are several tools here. Today, we're interested in the Merge PDFs tool. First, upload multiple PDF files. Finally, press the blue button, Merge PDFs. And that's it. Your PDF files are merged now. Thanks for your time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're looking for a free tool to edit files or images, give Moditool a try. Our free tool offers many useful options, and most importantly, your files are safe. Everything is processed locally in your browser. Your files are not uploaded to external servers, and nothing is stored online.